Hello everybody and welcome to this video. Here I'll be hopefully exposing um, what the dude behind Raga.PW is doing. Um, so far, basically this will be like a static analysis of what he is doing and probably how does he do it. So basically, when you I have firstly tested the tool thanks to Alpaca earlier today, and okay, so I've been discussing here with Pueblo and Dan, I guess, a few stuff we're trying to get inside of Raga.PW and how it works. They um, basically, I think I've gotten like how does it this works. Um, but yeah, I'm going to try to expose everything that could be possibly going behind the scenes. So if anybody wants to create a service just like this, they can just go ahead and do it. I cannot do it sadly because my skills with like web programming and all this stuff. This requires a lot of web programming. So you already saw what it is. It is basically a mini map that enables you and like to like it shows your position, but it just not only shows your position. It also locates you in the mini map and it also locates other people. So the cool thing of this the cool thing of this this it's like a multi-box. I mean, you can use it. You can use it just for that. You just on yourself, but it has a nice feature of server and client thing going on, so that you can host your own server and then you can like spawn or spam or you can control different how do you call that? Different little viruses. I mean, I don't know if they are like viruses, but I just call them blobs because that's like better generic name for them. They are not really named. I don't know if they are like viruses or cells or whatever. Okay, so the thing is that yeah, it's pretty straightforward. With the minimap server, you can share the vision. So this is pretty like this is the first thing that the most essential thing that the bot of Raga.PW uses, because it can share the vision with other cells that are created or other bots in this case if you want to do the same thing. Mark cells which are in the same party, so that's what you can do. You can create a party and then mark. So I'm thinking that so the thing that I'm thinking is that he uses this and he probably have done it a more modified version out of it. I don't really know, but the thing is that he probably has automated this whole thing up so that it creates like a bunch of well, at least depending on how many bots you buy, that's how you're gonna get the bots going to you and whatever yada yada. So the thing is that I'm thinking that for example, you rented 10 bots for 2 hours. Okay, that's cool. So when you do that and let's see if it is actually okay. So yeah, 10 minutes for 4 hours. Okay, let's say you rent 10 minutes for 4 hours. Okay. Um, you're already in the bot. It's already automating everything in order to create 10 bots that will connect to the same server address that you're connecting. Because that's another thing. If the if you and the other players, in this case the other bots, that they have to be in the same server. or else you cannot share your vision. So they will get lost, and you won't really have enough control of it. So he first setups the. That's why I think that's why he creates like a special type of proxy. Because he basically grabs information, I guess, from where you are. So for example, here you can really you see where it's actually connecting, what it's actually connecting to. Um, it's actually connecting to 167.114.174.64.1503. So every time you go there, I mean, sorry. Um, so every time you input this, you can connect and shit. Connecting to, as you can see, like play as guest. Um, did it once. So yeah, I'm guessing he has a I was looking through the functions of this. It has to has the. Here we go. Here's the. Here is the functions for it. I guess. No, this is. I think it's this. No, this is freaking Facebook. Facebook. Subscribe. Like. Agario. I think this is probably it. Connect. Let me see. Connect. Nothing. Alright. Connect, nothing. Alright, anyways, the function that's supposed to be here, the function that you can use to connect to a custom server that it's predefined. Let me see if I can actually get it. Um, um, where did I actually saw that stuff? Performance metric. Was it here? No, this is a style editor. Darn it, I want to see the actual source of the script. I think it's this one over here. Anyways, you have the ability to connect, using the API from the same game. So basically, what he does is that he's basically gets where you are located, like what server you're currently into playing. Then he starts connecting the bots. Um, like it will be as simple as like spawning the I think it should be in a multi-threaded function. I don't really know. I mean that I could let that run for yourselves. And the other thing is that so the server will check. It's actually the same scheme. So you can actually he even tells you here the minimap server will check the first player's Argyle service address as a condition. Other players who want to connect the minimap server will be verified whether the Agar server address matches. The connection will succeed if the address is matched. Otherwise, it fails. So every single bot so we have to think ahead, like if we're already building the bots. So every single connection has to succeed if the address is matched. Otherwise, it will fail. So the address will have to be the same. Otherwise, we'll have bots connected to like a whole bunch of different servers that are released by Agario. Alright, so here's the client. It's basically the interface on Agario. Um, that's the default address and port. I mean, basically, you're running your own server, so 34.34.3. That's the port they are using. Because as you can see, if you are controlling like if you are like for example, I will show you the this script in action. Actually, I will just put it over here. So you can actually see. So he's actually now controlling one wholesale. He created another one, then another one, then another one. So he has now like three. Now he's controlling four. So you can see how he switches between um, blobs. So that's number three. You can see how easy it is to um, get this done. Like it even identifies the other ones that you're controlling. So this is the potential of this script is actually seen at its full potential in Raga.PW. I mean, that's how this is meant to be exploited or fully, you know, like you know the way it should be. So you see the guy, is like multitasking, like switching between the party members in this case, at the blobs. Um, his task was to try to control four balls at a time. I think it was pretty hilarious. That was crazy. Wow, controlling four at the same time. You know how freaking hard that could be. I mean, it is. You can see him already. Anyways, I'll try to skip this or whatever. So yeah, basically there you have it. Just automate this and you will have freaking Raga.PW all over the place. Um, just imagine this, like being automated and like with your own custom settings for like infinite bots connected to you. Like you'll be like a freaking king here with like over 100k points in score, like in 5 minutes or something like that. So yeah, that's the real potential that this has. So I just want to show you guys that, and well, basically there you have it. The only part that I think this is missing, it's probably the part that is getting automated. Probably that's where the bots parts comes in. I mean, because this could be pretty easy. I mean, you could set up a server. I cannot really do it right now because I don't know what's going on with the package. I tried to run my own server and I think I failed here. Agario bot stuff. Minimap server. See, I typed CD in the freaking search. So all right, so it's supposed to be npm run start or start run. I think it was. Yeah. Yeah. So as you can see, it says that fail at minimap server start script. No, whatever. It is most likely a problem with the minimap server package, not by npm itself. Tell the author that this fails on your system, and blah 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 yada yada. Just like I said, since I'm not that skilled in JS, I cannot really I cannot really, like debug this and probably fix this by my own. So yeah, I'm stuck and I cannot really go forward with this. So I'm just doing this. So if any of you guys out there like have like not enough experience on JavaScript and probably want to do this, I mean, go ahead. I'll be more than happy with that. Then a fellow member on Node.io can do something like this. All right. So yeah, get your hands on these scripts and these tools, and that's it. It's basically that's how Raga.PW works. I don't want to extend myself for like freaking 30 minutes, so I'm just gonna end this here. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.